For high-tech products to succeed, they need to be ever more customized, functional, well-designed, and high-performing. At the same time, high-tech design teams need to cope with shortening product life cycles, as well as cost and compliance pressures. Imagine being able to deliver meaningful customer experiences through innovative, differentiated, and high-quality products that meet demanding customer expectations everywhere. The Empowered Design Innovation Solution delivers a platform for collaborative social ideation, where market insights and seamlessly integrated world-class apps enable industrial designers to create virtual twin experiences that engineers can then realize effectively. With the solution, they can improve the relevance of their product innovation to their customers, deliver much more market-focused ideas faster, and preserve the experience design intent throughout the innovation lifecycle. Empower industrial design teams to deliver relevant, engaging, and sustainable high-tech products with empowered design innovation. Discover more.